Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RSHN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been tracking this analysis on a very routine basis. Did it on Friday. And not a whole lot to update from the support side of things other than this level down here at 0055, which I've talked about time and time again. Once again today, did a beautiful job of holding as support. You can see I'm not going to count the number of times, but several times the price got right down here around this vicinity, but it did indeed hold. And not only did it hold, but actually late day acted as a little miniature trampoline and pushed the price back upwards. So nice, confirmation there that once more this 0055 is certainly a very stubborn area of support, and the bulls are doing a great job of holding up above it. From the big picture point of view, that pink line there continues to creep itself up. That is the 200 period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So like I said, this line is going to creep or move its way upwards as time goes by. So from the grand scheme of things viewpoint, you want to see the price stay above that pink line. And as I've illustrated in past videos, and just as kind of a quick reminder, I mean, look no further than the past history on this same exact chart, which that has shown the pink line doing a very good job of holding strong. And it's not like the price is, being threatened. My point here is that because it's a moving average, that line will continue to change and move upwards. So keep an eye on that, because eventually at some point that's actually going to cross up above 0055. That probably won't happen until later on this week, but that eventually will happen. And at that point, that pink line will take higher priority over the 0055. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, seems to still be right up here around 0062. So keep an eye on that. And then after today's price movement, though, I did want to add in this level, which seems to be, a potential problem, and that's this overall trend line right here. So if the price can break up through that, again, 0062 seems to be that initial area, but then that orange line right there is more so kind of the level that's been pressing down on the price. So we'll see if we can get a trend line break of that. All in all, though, any way you look at it, the price continues to chug along and chip away and build higher bases. And, from the grand scheme of it all perspective, that's really all you can ask for, because as long as the price continues to build higher bases over time, everything else takes care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.